Namaskar. Hello and welcome to all of you. Namaskar, Anita.
Namaskar, Sumit.
So, today we are going to give you a very short brief about diabetes, how you can get freedom from diabetes. My name is Sumit Upreti. I'm a Cosmic Abundance coach and I'm the founder of Cosmic Abundance Hub, an online community for health and wellness seekers. And with me joining is Anita Desikachara. And Anita, let's go a little bit. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Anita. I'm also into wellness. I do acupuncture and sound healing therapies to people. Also, I do counseling for them through Theta Healing. And I love to experiment with the traditional food recipes. It's also one of my passions, which I also apply in giving dietary advices to the people who come to me for therapies for healing.
And Anita has a very interesting story. She has been studying with me at Cosmic Abundance Hub, a lot of cosmic healing therapies. And now we are trying to help more and more people through our project to get freedom from diabetes. She has done a specialization on diabetes research for the last few years. So Anita, would you like to share a little bit of your story before we reach out to more people?
Sure. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes at the age of 8. So at that time, I started losing weight and not eating. No, in fact, I was eating but losing weight drastically. My parents were obviously worried. I started failing in my school. So my dad, being a doctor, he took me to his friend and they just casually said, okay, let's do a blood test and see. And found that my sugars were very high in the blood report. And immediately I was taken to a diabetes specialist in Chennai. And then the story goes on. I was tagged type 1 diabetes at the age of 8.
Yeah.
And from then on, life has been a roller coaster. Always in the background was this thought I have diabetes. I have to take care of myself. I should not eat sweet. And that time, those days, the dietary restrictions were very strict. No sweet, no less carbohydrates. So, but I have to eat the food which I didn't want to eat, because as children, we don't want to eat all those healthy foods. We want to eat the things which we want, especially all those chocolates and sweets. They were totally forbidden for me. So life began like that, and over a period of time, because of my determination, I completed my schooling. And of course, with a lot of support from my parents and my doctors at that time, completed my schooling and did my... And since I had diabetes, I was curious. I was always curious. Why? Even in my small age, I was curious. Why? Why is the sugars high? Why shouldn't I eat sugar? Why shouldn't I eat that food? Why should I eat when I don't want to eat? Those things are always behind my mind. And so in my college, I took up graduation in biochemistry. My post-graduation also was in biochemistry. And to explore this subject further, I did my doctorate also. So my thesis was on biochemistry and molecular biology.
Yeah.
And having come up to my doctorate, I realized that I still didn't have any answers I was looking for. There was whys were only increasing over the period of years, but there was no answers.
Great. So you were taking insulin from the age of 8 onwards?
Yes.
And there is every day, those injections are a part of your life till now?
They are still part of my life, and so much so now I want to leave them. I think that somewhere over part of my growing up, I started toying with that idea actually. Why? What will happen if I stop insulin? Because sometimes I get so irritated just taking the shots. And my life went in such a way that I had to take 3 to 4 shots in a day. So that's when after that I was shifted to insulin pump, which pumps insulin continuously in the body, but for which I have to have this subcutaneous probe, which will keep sending the insulin inside. Believe me, that was even more horrible than the insulin shots. But of course, I put it in a critical phase of my life when I was planning for pregnancy. But I would say that, it did help in my pregnancy. But what it did side by side was weaken my health. so badly.
Yeah.
I totally lost all strength. Like even I think when I was my childhood, whatever the strength and stamina I had taking the insulin shots, I lost all of them when I started putting the insulin pump, where the insulin, the artificial insulin, was getting pumped continuously. And I
How
was
many
not
years
okay
it
with
has
it.
been now? More than 30, 35 years?
At 33, I'm 34 years since I was diagnosed with diabetes. And so that really got me, like, because my health after that really deteriorated. And I was doing everything correctly. I followed the diet advice. I did everything the doctors asked me to do, eat when I didn't want to eat, and exercise, eat the type of food again which I didn't want to eat. And I was constantly eating because the insulin dosage was getting pumped continuously in my body. That created a lot of health issues. To be very frank, when my son was born, I couldn't even lift him up because my bones, my joints had become so weak. In fact, after my delivery, I was also diagnosed with this condition called tendinitis, and I was like shocked. I mean, why will I get diagnosed with tendinitis when I'm not an athlete? I don't repetitively use my fingers, but that was a time when I was using the maximum insulin into my body, pumping maximum insulin into my body, artificial insulin.
Yeah.
That was a stage when I decided, no, I'm not taking this anymore, because I really hit rock bottom in my life at that point.
I can understand, all of these years gone and not giving any result ultimately.
Exactly.
If it would have benefited, you would have been happily about it. Okay, it worked for me. But still, if you're not getting freedom, why not try something other? And that is where your journey of self-exploration, alternative medicine started. Yeah. So we'll go towards more of your journey. Let's to help our viewers and let's to help them understand what is diabetes, not just type 1 but type 2 in both of them, because so many people, millions of people are struggling with this challenge, and you have learned it in the right way, studying at university, doing PhD, doctorate in it, and understanding how things really work at medicinal level. Plus now you're also helping thousands of other people with how they can change their lifestyle. And at least type 2 is very easy to work around, and you can you reduce your if you're taking sugar, if you're taking foods which has too much sugar, little bit of lifestyle changes helps us, as well as now we are also working together in your insulin reduction, how we can get over it in coming days. Yeah, so we'll get on that, and let me share the screen with you all. Here we will understand. So freedom from diabetes is what we are looking for here at Cosmic Abundance Hub. And let's go, and I will be asking certain questions to Anita, and Anita is going to, based on research and therapeutic experience and her personal experience, is going to answer some of them. So in this video, we're going to work around 6 major questions, which I'm going to pose to Anita, and we're going to learn and discuss together. Let's go. Anita, what is diabetes? For a person jisko kuch nahi pata hai, this is a major challenge. Most of us are just taking in medicine, eating pills day and night without knowing what is it all about. So for those people who don't have any idea, what is diabetes?